If you use the same Apple ID for your iPad Pro and your iPhone, your messages from the iPhone will be synced to the iPad, which can violate your privacy if someone else has the access of your iPad. If you want to stop your iPhone messages to be synced with your iPad Pro, keep following this video. Here we will show you how you can fix this issue. Open Settings in iPad. Scroll down and tap Messages. Tap Share and Receive. Tap on your Apple ID. Tap Sign Out. Now the messages from your iPhone won't show up in your iPad. This is the way you can stop syncing messages between iPhone and iPad Pro. That's it for now. Hope this video was helpful. Like it and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for tips and tricks for Apple devices. Thank you.